So here's a quick video to show you how to brand or white label your Dubsado account. So this is obviously my demo account, as you can see up here. And what you're going to do when you log into your account is go to the settings, that little gear up here in the corner, and then you're going to go over to domain names. So the first step is to create the base URL, and you'll want to go to your domain host and create what's called a CNAME record. And this isn't very complicated to do. Basically, you just log into your domain like GoDaddy or Bluehost or something like that, and you set up what's called a subdomain or a CNAME record. So an example of what you might use if your website is amyschool.com, you could use like clients.amyschool.com, clients or portal, just whatever you want to that first part to be, so that you know that that's basically your Dubsado domain. So once you've set that up in your domain host, you're going to come back here to the custom URL mapping and put that in. And for mine, I'm going to say, actually it is this, oops, that's not it. It's clients.amyschool.com. So I'll verify that. And that must not be the right one. Maybe it's client. There we go. Okay, so you can see that it's been saved. You got the green checkbox up here. Next, you want to put the page title. So in this case, you're going to put your business name or your website name or anything like that. So I've got Amy Gould and Company, and I'll put Dubsado Systems. Wow, I can't type today. Strategist. And then we need a description. Basically, this is going to be what you want to pop up in the preview when you share a URL with someone. So generally I use the website description. You can choose whatever you'd like. Okay, put that for now. And then you need to upload your preview image and your favicon image. So the preview image needs to be, and I have the instructions here, so let me just go back to that and refer to it. The preview image needs to be 1200 by 630 pixels. They recommend a JPEG format, and it needs to be under 5 megabytes, and it says the smaller the better. So you can design that in Canva and set the dimensions for 1200 by 630, and you'll be good to go. And then while you're in Canva, you also want to grab your favicon image. Typically that's your logo or whatever you'd like it to be. It needs to fit in a square. They say 16 by 16 pixels. I've uploaded bigger files before, and that can be a JPEG or a PNG format. Definitely a good idea to download it as a transparent, with a transparent background. And so I always tell people to do a PNG with a transparent background. That way it can go on light or dark browser themes. So, and there's an example of it here that shows what would pop up in the way they have it set up. So I'm just going to go back here and upload my already done designs. And that's this guy here. And that one. All right. Now I've got my favicon, I've got my preview image, I've got my site description and my page title. All you got to do is make sure you hit save, and all of your changes should show up whenever you share a Dubsado link. So if you link to a proposal, a public proposal, or a scheduler, that should show up. on the preview. So let me know if this doesn't help, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. Just shoot me an email at amy@amyschool.com. Thanks, and have a great day.